Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites and initiating the first connection. Make sure your Azure account, resource group, and the AC remote device are registered. Once done, install Azure CLI and sign in with AZ Login. Generate or confirm an SSH key pair or password for the device, and verify the device IP and outbound network access. Now create or select a service principal if automation is needed. This gets you immediately ready to push configuration and avoid access interruptions. You now deploy and configure the AC remote components. Use as resource or an ARM template to provision resources and assign managed identity. Once deployed, push configuration files over SSH or the device API and validate success by monitoring device logs. Make sure to apply RBAC roles and network security rules so only authorized principals can manage the device. While configuring telemetry and metrics, test connectivity to Azure Monitor and update retry parameters so the device. You finish by verifying end-to-end operation and enabling ongoing maintenance. Run sample commands, confirm telemetry ingestion, and exercise scheduled tasks. Once verified, configure automated backups and firmware updates plus alert rules for proactive monitoring. Make sure to document credentials and rotation procedures. If something goes wrong, capture device and Azure logs immediately, check NSG and firewall rules, and retry actions with longer timeouts. If necessary, escalate with the device serial, timestamped logs, and precise command traces to speed resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.